again, everyone. Today I do not have a lot of time, but I just got this from Chic Sparrow and I wanted to unbox it really quick. I thought about taking this out and just showing you later, but because this is part of Chic Sparrow's new, I don't know what they're calling it now. It's not Second Chance anymore. It's, Happy Accidents. That's what it is. So this is part of the Happy Accidents from Chic Sparrow, and I kind of wanted you to get my honest reaction when I open this up, so that's why I'm doing it today. But like I said, I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm going to try and get through here quickly. So this is the new Chic Sparrow logo, which is actually quite nice. I like it a lot. It's really quite classic. Oh, and then it comes with a product warranty card. Oh, interesting. Okay. Lifetime warranty. I mean, I kind of knew they always had that, but they never really advertised it all that much. So this is nice. Okay, so I'll put that off to the side, and then I have this little sticker here with a girl journaling or reading. And so this was something that I didn't get. Oops. Make sure. Yeah, okay. Make sure you didn't have my address up there. So this is something that I missed on the first iteration, but they had it in Happy Accidents. And I don't normally inscribe my TNs, but I did have this inscribed. And you'll see why when I take it out of here. Okay, so this is the Hatta leather, which is part of the Carol collection in this beautiful green. I'm going to flip it over here in a minute so that you can see my inscription. Sorry, it's been a long day and I don't think I talked much at the end of my work day, so I kind of have a little bit of hoarse voice because of that. Let me get a quick drink. Okay, that's a little better there. So, or at least I thought it was better. No, I can't do this again because I would have to make it fake from when I'm opening it. But anyway, so let's go ahead and turn this over. So I inscribed this with "It's Not Easy Being Green." So I have another notebook that is the same size. This is B6 Slim in a Cascade. I'll show you when I open it. This actually has lovely texture. I'm really, really loving this. I have one in the matcha leather in the Tea House collection. Sorry, my voice is all over the place. That is also inscribed, "It's Not Easy Being Green," but I used a different font. I wasn't that crazy about the font, and this is obviously, well, for those of you that don't know, it might not be obvious, this is a Kermit the Frog reference, and this is way more of a Kermit color than matcha is. So this was going to replace my matcha as my garden journal. So, and I love this particular font. I can't remember which one it is. I'll put it down in the description box below so that you can see which one it is. And I don't have my garden journal here because it's downstairs. It's near my garden. But you can see on the website the different fonts, and I got the biggest font basically on that other one, and this is so much classier. I think I love this one, and I love how it shows up brown on the leather. So let's take a look at this leather and then we'll take a look at the inside. So once again, I'm probably going to get rid of these white elastics, but that's not really a huge problem for me because I always plan to do that. It looks like it's a little bit scuffed up. Oh my goodness, guys, I am so sorry. This is like disaster unboxing, and I have so little time until I have to go. So so this is beautiful. It has these beautiful wrinkles here. I really, really love this. And because it's chrome tanned, the color won't change. So let's go ahead and see the inside. Actually, I'm trying to figure out why this is considered a happy accident. It could be because of the scratching, but I mean, that's part of the character to me. And then we go in here and yeah, we have these beautiful Cascade pockets. So this one does have a little bit of a loose pen loop. I wonder if that's why. Maybe this was before they tightened up the the pen loop space, because in later iterations they have tightened up the space quite a bit. I'm gonna see how it does. It's been okay on other ones that I've used. This seems to be a little bit of a sturdier leather as far as not being so floppy as the creme leather, which was the one I was kind of complaining about on the Scouts that I had. So we'll see. I mean, I do use a pen with this, so there is going to be a pen in there, but this is gorgeous. I actually really love this. I think they're going to be doing at least one restock of this green leather. So I'll put a link down below to where it is on the Chic Sparrow website, but if it's not there, just and you're looking for a particular size, set a little reminder with the email when it comes back in stock, and they will email you. I've actually found that having them text you is better, because you if you see the text at a point where you're ready to go and ready to buy something, you'll be able to get there fast. And if it's something that might sell out fast, then it's good to have that. But this is amazing. I'm so glad that I got this, even in the happy accidents, because the happy accidents are a little bit less expensive, but also, I really kind of wanted to go ahead and start using this as my gardening journal. And I have an online gardening class coming up this weekend, so it may be already done by the time you see this. I have quite a bit of backlog of videos, but I wanted a notebook like this to be able to take notes in, and this is going to be perfect. And because it won't patina, other than, maybe getting some scuffs and wrinkles, it's kind of good for having out in the garden if I'm working out there. So I'm hoping that this is the year where I can actually do the gardening myself. And last year, we had someone help us figure out how to start plantings and that sort of thing. That didn't work out all that well, because I felt like we didn't have a very good... the gardener was fine. She just wasn't a very good communicator. And so she just kind of did stuff and didn't tell us stuff, probably to just get more business, which, I wanted to learn how to do it myself. So just, beware when you're hiring a gardener. But I'm hoping that this year, after taking a class, I'm taking a class with my local botanical institute or whatever it's called, associated with the local arboretum. And it's supposedly very comprehensive, and it's going to teach me, like A through Z, how to start a garden. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right. Well, I think that's all I had for you today. Sorry for the rough voice at the beginning. I really just, had a long day where I was working on a lot of paperwork, reviewing a lot of things at work, and I didn't talk much, so my voice was a little rusty. But there you go. Now that it's all warmed up, I'm going to have to go. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And I hope to see you next time. But in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.